Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add LUTs on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CapCut PC and I'm going to add LUTs to the CapCut. First of all, if we want to add LUTs, we can go to the adjustment right here and then we're going to select LUT and then you're going to import the LUT you have. You can download the LUT from the internet guys, and here I have downloaded LUTs from the internet and I'm going to select one of them. I'm gonna go with this one guys and I'm going to click on open. Okay, and now the LUT has been added to my CapCut and then I'm going to use it. If we want to use the LUT, we just need to click on this plus icon like this, and then you're going to make it align with your video. Okay, then if you want to adjust the intensity, you can go to the intensity right here and you can play around with the slider like this. Okay, now the LUT has been added to my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add LUT on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.